Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable voicemail on your iPhone. So if you want to go ahead and disable the voicemail feature of your iPhone device, what we could actually go ahead and do is to go over on our phone applications. On our keypad, I want you to go ahead and use the preferred data line or communication line for you to turn off your voicemail. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and use this one, and I'm going to go ahead and dial #004 once more, and then give it a call. Now, as you would see, this will show me these settings, and we can actually proceed now with choosing the option to proceed with turning off our voicemail. So from here, we have a network failure, stuff like these, which is going to be relevant if we want to go ahead and turn off our voicemail. But if you do have the option to directly turn off your voicemail through here, you could go ahead and do so. Now, this will vary from courier to courier, so going ahead and giving this a try yourselves should show you if this option is actually available. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.